and they were about $14 a roll, I believe, and we're looking into getting a coupon code, so maybe there will be one at the end of this video. Who knows? Anyways, hello 3D printer people, this is GeoDroid John, and I'm going to do another hand cam video just to spite all of you. Today we're going to be talking about Newman 3D printer filament. Oh my god, I hope this comes out in the opposite orientation I'm seeing it on screen. That's going to be really weird. Anyway, so I was on Facebook and I got an ad that actually applied to me. It was for 3D printer filament from a guy in San Diego. It says Newman 3D, San Diego based low cost 3D printer filament. I could not believe what I was seeing. An ad that actually worked for me. Get out of your face. Okay, so what we have here is one other website, and I'm going to pop it up right here. Hello Graphics. That's their website. Newman 3D is a locally based, brand new 3D printer company, and they actually have some pretty decent filament that I've discovered. I'm going to show you a quick B-roll of me unboxing it. Here it is. So the box came pretty standard for two a box. I only ordered 3. Nice big sticker on the front. It weighed about 100 grams more than a kilogram, so I like to weigh my filament. I stuck it into my CR10. Cold, first try. I didn't try to do anything special to set this up. Printed from the SD card some known good G-code for that Z mount for an Adoptabot. And this is a first print with the first time using that filament, and can't wait to see how it comes out. I like to watch the first layer go on just to make sure everything looks fine. Nice solid bead right there on the plate. And we're going to go ahead and let this warm up before we come back and see what it looks like. Here is my workshop. I'm going to give you a quick pan here and show you what I've got going on. It's small, but I've got a lot of little projects. And let's take a look at that Adoptabot again. This is a little Adoptabot from Printabot. It's out of business now, but it's a rep basically, a small one. I like to work on that more. Here is one of my favorite pieces. It's the Iron Man New Century helmet from Eco Industries. Go over to his website and grab some cool CAD files. This is another Iron Man Mark 45 gauntlet, I believe, from Duo 3D. Printed all in the CR10. Just wanted to show off the layer heights here. Got the whole gauntlet printed out, and I just got to take it to my buddy so that we can get painted. So it's going to look pretty cool. Some pieces are supposed to move, but we've got to figure all that out. Some pretty complex, long time prints here. So let's check back on that printer and see what's going on. Alright, the first layer looks a little rough, but it could be just the G-code. Let's fast forward and see how it came out. Hey, that's not bad. The last 3 prints of this G-code have failed, so let's pop this off, take a look at it a little bit closer. Looks really good. Anyway, the filament was dimensionally accurate, it was packaged well, and it did not look as clean as he showed in his Facebook photo, like perfectly lined up all the way across, like the Filament that you see. That doesn't bother me so much. The filament works. I'm going to do a lot more testing. So Newman 3D gets one big thumbnail. Pause right here. Hang on. I should tell you guys, I paid for my own filament and I'm no way affiliated with this website at this time. I just want to help you guys get a good deal. So let's get back to the video. Mail up for me, and go ahead and reach out to them, and if I get a discount code, it will be right after this. Get 10% off 4 spools or more when you use code GeoDroidJohn at checkout. He's still offering free shipping right now. Take advantage of that while you can. Thanks everybody for coming by.